Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to lock your Facebook profile on PC or laptop. If you're using a PC or any laptop and then you want to change your Facebook profile, so let's see how you can do that. You just have to simply open your browser, and in your browser just open Facebook. And now in Facebook you just have to click on your profile photo at the top right, then click on settings and privacy, then click on settings. Now here, just scroll down and you might see the option of profile locking in under audience and visibility section. Just select profile locking here, and here you might see lock profile, and here how locking works. You can see that only friends will see your past and future photos, posts and stories on your profile. So it means that the person you have added as your own friend, so he can only see your Facebook posts, stories, photos of your past and of your future. And they can see that your full resolution profile picture and cover photo will only be shown to friends. So the person which is not in your friend list can only see your profile photo. They will not get your cover photo also. And you can see that you can make some profile into public so a friend can find you and send friend requests. So you just have to click on lock your profile here to lock your profile. Now just click on OK and just wait for until it reloads. You can also try to reload your page again, and after that you might see the notification that you have locked your profile. So in this way you can easily lock your Facebook profile on your PC or on your laptop. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.